How to fix Google Play payment decline error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. So if you are receiving a pop-up saying payment method declined while trying to make a payment, here's what you can do. Launch Google Play Store app. Tap Profile at top right. Now select Payment and Subscriptions. Now choose a payment method. You can choose a different payment method or add a new debit or credit card to update your payment details. If this is not working for you, then you simply need to clear cache and data of Google Play Store. Press and hold Google Play Store icon, select I button to access app info. Now choose Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. You can even tap Clear Data and tap Delete. By doing so, your issue will be fixed. Now you can easily retry the payment after completing these steps. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any queries or feedback. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.